What's up guys, over here, welcome to a brand new tutorial on my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to remove any object in the photo just in 90 seconds. Let's get started. Import image to Photoshop and duplicate the image. Then go to toolbar and select Lasso tool. Then make a rough selection like this around the object. Then go to edit, fill, then choose the content hour option in the drop down menu. Then click OK and wait for a second. See, the complete object is removed within few clicks. Select another object. For shortcut, right click, fill, then content hour option in the drop down menu. Then click OK. To deselect, Ctrl D is the shortcut, or you can go to select and deselect option in the menu bar. Like this you can remove unwanted objects from your photo within few clicks. I hope this tip will help you to faster your editing with better result. And make another selection, right click, fill option, and content option, click OK. See guys, the complete object is removed from the image. This is before and after. If you like my video, please like and comment and share, and please do subscribe to my channel for further updates. Bye bye.